Why choose TVL? Well, let me share my story. I'm a proud graduate of ISAT under the TVL track, majoring in technical drafting. Today, I'm also a degree holder in Bachelor of Science and Architecture. My journey in the TVL track was a game changer. It helped me develop essential skills like drawing, design, and planning, which became the foundation of my success in architecture. More than that, TVL sharpened my critical thinking and problem-solving abilities, skills that are crucial in any career. TVL isn't just a track, it's a pathway to real-world opportunities, whether your passion lies in technical fields, design, or craftsmanship. TVL equips you with the tools to pursue your dreams. Take that first step. Choose TVL and open doors to endless possibilities.